Okay, so we're gonna have to move on to the method onload scene, and we're gonna enter the first line there. Uh, AndEngine.register update handler.new FPS logger, and it's just gonna basically keep logging our speed if we need it. So next thing we're gonna have to do is create a new scene, and for that I'm gonna have to declare a variable, and I'm gonna do it up here right by my camera. I'm gonna declare scene, my scene, and down here I'm gonna type uh, this dot my scene equals new scene, and yeah, I typed wrong. Okay, and instead of return null, it's gonna have to return my scene. So basically, if you ran the program at this point, it will work. It won't do nothing, but it will work. So the first thing we should do is set our background. So let's add a background image. So my scene dot set background equals new sprite background, which we're gonna have to import, and we're gonna have to import sprite as well. And we just basically created a sprite with the background texture region, and is gonna put our background image as part of the background. And since we set the image to landscape, we burned it in, so that won't be a problem. So I'm gonna save this, and I'll run the run as run configurations, and I'm gonna run it as on Android 2.1. Okay, so I'll pause the video because it takes a while. So it got uploaded, and when I start this, the background image shows up. Now, if you can tell, there's a bit of a bending of colors here. It's not very smooth, even though my actual image is smooth. The one on the Android is not. This is smooth, and this is not. So we're gonna fix that right now. So we're gonna do that by overriding a method in the superclass, which is the base game activity. And I'm gonna put this at the top here, and put a note here to get rid of image bending of colors. And you're gonna have to override the set content view, and this is a method in the base game activity, and most of it is the same. If you hold down the left control, then it becomes a link, and you can click on the super implementation to see what it is. So you can just copy and paste the contents of this, and you only have to you're gonna have to import this, and you're gonna have to import this from the pixel frame for Android.graphics. Don't import the AndEngine one. Import this one. So basically what we did is added these two lines. This line here, this config chooser, to make the bit, the color depth 32-bit instead of 16-bit, and also the pixel format to 32-bit. So by doing so, it will get rid of the that color bending. So if I run this application again, then we shouldn't have that problem anymore. I'm gonna pause this video again just for the time consuming. Okay, so it finished uploading, and I'm gonna start it. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but now it's smooth. You don't get that lines anymore. You don't get those lines anymore. So that's how you get rid of that image problem.